What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Camilo from Trading Waves. Now, tomorrow's CPI data is expected to show a peaked in inflation, right? So now the question is, if the market's going to reverse based on that information. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to try to find out if that is the case, or if it's in fact going to continue on selling based on tomorrow's information. So before we dive into the analysis, guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As you know, it'll help this channel grow. So thank you so much for doing so. The bullish count that I have in front of you guys has always been the case that I've been anticipating this wave 2 in the zigzag to have completed. Now, if we're going to quickly review this, you guys already know that a zigzag in the wave 2 is made up of 3 waves, but each wave, the A, B, and C, the A has a 5-wave subdivision, the B has a 3-wave subdivision, and the C wave has a 5-wave subdivision. 5, 3, 5 is the pattern for a zigzag. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A checks out. A, B, C, 3 waves, right? 1, 2, and 3. B checks out, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final 5th wave. So did we potentially bottom? Maybe. Now let's take a look at the primary degree, the intermediate, and the minor degree, right? So we have the yellow Fibonacci level, which is taken from the low of 2020, March 2020, to the peak here in January, and we see that price action is holding just slightly above the 23.6% retracement at 398.66. We also see that in the intermediate degree, which is the extension from the A to the B, right? If I may, from A to B, you get the extension of C, and that's equality, right? That's equal 100% extension of wave A. So that's positive, and that we see price action hold support there. Furthermore, we see that the extension from from 2 to 4, from 2 to 3 and 4 to get us a potential 5th wave target at the 786 is at 396, 396.02. Okay, so we have 3 levels of fib and 3 levels of trend that is offering support. To further sustain this, right, we also notice that in this price history here on March the 17th, we see the price action held as resistance, now becoming some sort of support over here today, right? So for that reason, I do believe that maybe this could be a strong case and a strong level to be to have them watch, because if price action does hold, we may, and CPI data comes in bullish tomorrow, then we may see price action continue on higher. Now, where we confirm this count is at the break above the wave 4. If we see price action unfold impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right, above the zone, and then we see a 3-wave pullback, A, B, and C, right, then this is the area. This whole wave structure here, guys, is what will confirm the reversal. So far as right now is a little too early, too premature to tell. But we want to see 5 waves out of this low and a 3-wave pullback to hold this rally, right? And then off we go. Otherwise, we are going to potentially see price action head on lower, and that's going to be in this alternate count here that I have in front of you guys. It's still the same in the zigzag, but the wave 2 is going deeper. So the wave 2 potentially goes down towards the 38.2% retracement at 355.26. It's rough, but it is not out of the question. So same deal, right? 5, 3, and now we're looking for 1, 2 completed. The 3rd wave down at 376.64. So by tomorrow, we should be able to see price action. If we don't see immediate, well, at least the first hour of the session, if we don't see price action continue on higher, right, it is likely that this is the case, and we're going to see price action head on lower into the wave 3. It's going to be a very deep correction, and it's going to be painful. Okay, so 376 is my target for the downside should we break today's low of 395.10. All right, guys, so you guys already know what levels to watch on the SPY. Let's hop over to the Qs, and let's just quickly finish this video here. So our alternate count, same deal as in the SPY, right? Wave 1, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the wave 1, up in 2 in the zigzag. It was a sharp wave 2 to say the least, right? But we have A, B, and C to the 38.2% retracement. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the wave 3. 275 is my downside support at in the Qs, right? Should we continue on lower? Maybe we see a little bit of a push in the wave 2 early trading session tomorrow before we're met with an impulsive move to the downside. All right, guys. To look at our bullish count, you know, a short-term bullish count here rather, right? So A, B, again, same thing, except that this one is considering that the wave 5 is in shorter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final fifth will hold support at the $290, $288 region for their Qs. All right, guys. So watch for these two zones, watch for these two levels, and in the SPY, also watch for price action to hold above the 398, 396 price action. Okay, or price structure here. All right, guys, so that was a handful. Tomorrow's important, so be prepared. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what levels are you guys looking at. Let's interact in the comment section below, or join Trending Waves so you guys can get updates on your Elliott wave analysis. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.